state that the state is seeking to cross-examine Mr. Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu, and we are going to use the word Gwabeni throughout, and for the simple reason, my lord, that is commonly known by that name, and in cross-examination by counsel for the defense, they also refer to him by that name. It's not out of any disrespect or anything, my lord. We seek to cross-examine him on his extracurricular statement, which he made in terms of Section 204 of the Criminal Procedure Act. And in paragraph 1.2, we mentioned that Gwabeni has been called as a defense witness on behalf of accused number 1.
My lord, may I also be excused?
Excused?
No, to attend to the situation. Yes, I'm coming back.
Yeah, I shouldn't sense it. When you say you must be excused, you mean you are walking out of the proceedings?
No, not at all.
I see, okay.
I can't abandon you.
Oh, that's fine.
If we can then proceed.
As it is the court, my lord. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But at the same time, I see it's almost time for the normal short adjournment.
Yeah, what was happening, Mr. Lewis?
We can proceed.
There are some developments, my lord, around the case which are not worth mentioning on the record. We would have actually also approached the court with a request that we adjourn. So we try and deal with those new developments with our clients, and then we take it from there, my lord.
What developments are those?
As I'm saying, my lord, they are not worth mentioning on record.
But they are worth this court adjourning,
Most certainly, my lord.
and they are not worth it. But they are still worth it so that the court must adjourn.
It's an indulgence that we're requesting.
Hello?
It is an indulgence that we are requesting because we need
Yeah, but
to...
I must know what's happening, because I don't know what's happening.
As I'm saying, my lord, there is something...
What is something?
It's a new development.
Have they arrested somebody? The police?
My lord,
Have they arrested somebody?
I would prefer, my lord, not to say anything on record with regard to this new development.
No, you must say it on record. Because here am I, I'm sitting here. I don't know what's happening, and you want to adjourn.
In any event, my lord, it's already tea time.
Yeah,
It's time for a short
I can
adjournment.
sit through tea time. What's the problem? Mr. Numal, what's happening?
Unfortunately, my hands are tied, my lord.
What's happening?
As my colleague is indicating, my lord, that there are new developments
What developments?
which we wouldn't want
Hello?
we wouldn't want to place them on record for now. We have to take
This
instructions.
court can adjourn without knowing why I'm adjourning. Have you ever heard of such a thing? Here is a judge sitting, and then he's told there are developments. When the judge asks which developments, we would rather not mention them.
Because I want to take instructions from my client.
Yeah, you can take instructions. Fine.
It's going to take some time.
Mr. Ramsipi, what's happening?
As the purpose is, my lord, the furthest I can take it to is to say, once we have consulted our clients, then we can come to chambers and keep the court in the loop as to the developments.
There's somebody being arrested. Research, Mr. Zungu says his colleagues or friends, they were removed by the police. Is that not so, Mr. Zungu?
Yeah.
Yes, they went out with the police, my lord.
Yeah, so what's the secret about?
It's not a secret, but it's way beyond that, my lord. It's something that we can ventilate.
So
with the
somebody
court in
died?
chambers. No, not really, my lord.
Where's your client?
These are some of the things, my lord, that we're requesting for an adjournment, so we attend to these new developments that are transpiring here, my lord. Because in any event, I'll go back to him, I'll go to him, he will say something, I'll come here, and then I'm simply trying to avoid this run voice.
I'll adjourn then.
Thank you.